Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1, O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I-V-E 5. Kids 9 to 6. The numbers of 6. And here's yellow color S-I-X 6. 7 S-E-V-E-N 7. 8 E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids again use yellow color and draw 9. N-I-N in 9. 10. T-E-N 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11. And use blue color 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use blue color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.